You see? Now that he come back to my mind, Massacre did have a rum. Beenie Man did have a rum.
Which rum?
Beenie Man and Corey did do a rum after Vybz Kartel, Street Vibes.
Nobody know about it.
Nobody know about it.
Nobody
But
know
it did
about
have a rum though.
Nobody know about it.
What
And
name?
you know why? What's your
What
name?
name? I don't remember, but
What's
Beenie
your
Man
name?
did have a
You
rum.
know why Beenie Man would I do a rum? It was because of Corey Todd. Corey Todd was
yeah, man.
Vybz
When did-
Kartel
yeah.
manager at the time.
Yes.
So you see same game where Kartel and Corey Todd did I use play the industry. Corey Todd did I try to carry that over to Beenie Man, but it couldn't work.
It never worked. So
You get me? I say?
Kartel did set the trend there. So
All right, watch out now.
with the rum thing.
So you know see Alkaline I get rum too. Alkaline has signed some signature rum for rum bar. Alkaline get. So me I show you say teacher and people are take notes. You get me? I say?
All right. Whichever rum is a good look.
Let me just show you.
So if I follow a teacher, but yo, I'm not about and say, yo.
He might say nobody not inspire me.
Yeah, dog. But you can't. Would you say that foot a hype a follow now?